Okay, guys, we've got a surprise. This is a Jaeger-LeCoultre. What model is this here? Tell me what model. Master Control Date, I think. Master Control Date. Let's have a look. This is the new. This is only just purchased from Monards. That's where they very kindly let me walk around the store. And let's have a look. This is I haven't seen this packaging because I got the blue box, but mine is quite a number of years old. Let's have a look. This is the new Jaeger-LeCoultre box. Look at this. So it's like a gold disc. And the interesting thing is, the base of this box fits in to the compartment here. So we might just have a quick look here. So inside here, we've got this here is the manual. The manual, Master Ultra Thin Réserve de Marche. I butchered the pronunciation. How could you say that? You can say.
Ce n'est pas grave, monsieur, c'est une réserve de marche.
Wow, Master Ultra Thin Reserve. This is the Monards stamp. Oh, he only got this. Jesus Christ! 11th of the 2nd. There we go.
Yep, it's like a new penny.
Oh my God. I tell you what, he's got to be very, very grateful. Look at that. And this is the tool, the pusher tool. This is the pusher tool to adjust.
Date.
Wow. What a beautiful piece of kit. Look at that. That's just a very, very nice pusher tool. Absolutely just beautifully. This is just the attention to detail that they go for Jaeger-LeCoultre. It's just beautiful, don't you think? What a well-engineered piece. Okay, I'll just put this back in there. That is, I just want to keep it all together so we don't forget anything. Let's get back to the unboxing. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Let's have a look. Ooh, voila. Wowzers. This is the new. I like the black. Classy. Beautiful. Absolutely. I tell you what, this watch is amazing. And I got to tell you the truth there. I'm actually shocked by this watch. The quality on it is just beautiful.
Yeah, it's a real joy to wear.
And I got to tell you the truth. I got to go back on a prom. I actually preferred the moon phase version of this watch. But I now get this. I now get it. I get it. Okay. I now get it. I understand why you don't need a moon phase on this watch. I made a video many years ago saying that I had this nasty girlfriend who had psychiatric problems, who used to follow astrology, so I never wanted a moon phase on a watch ever again. But I got to tell you, this just works without the moon. It's very powerful. So what we've got here is these eyes. We've got a date window, we've got a seconds at 6, a date at 2, seconds at 6, and a power reserve indicator at the 10
yeah,
o'clock
which
there.
actually indicates 40 hours, but in point of fact it does have a reserve of 44.
My God, this is just superb. And it's an ultra thin. Look at that. That is just sensational. And I've got to tell you, beautiful butterfly clasp here with Jaeger-LeCoultre on the clasp. This is beautifully done. It's a quality, beautiful leather strap. And we'll just have a look at that. Look at that. The rotor for the automatic movement. My God, that's a beautiful piece of kit there. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, amazing piece, amazing. How have you been wearing it? Because this belongs to your brother, who's very kindly lent it. I don't know if I would lend it to somebody if I look at the Jaeger-LeCoultre logo on the rotor. Just superb. How have you found it?
It's a divine piece to wear.
Have people commented on it? Gee, nice watch.
No, in fact, that's something I love about wearing watches. If people don't comment, if it doesn't draw the eye, it's something which is my secret.
Oh, I see. My secret. Wow. I got to tell you, this is superb. Because he was looking, your brother was looking at some other things. He was looking at a blank pane for a while.
Yeah, I don't know what possessed him. I don't find the blanc pane to be that exciting.
No,
watch.
no, I got to be honest with you. I'm in love with this. Like when I got my Reverso, I was in love with it. But this piece here is just stunning. I mean, quality piece. Look at the side. So that's where the adjusters, that's the adjuster for the date. That's what you've got that stick for. It's just superb how it's so light. I mean, it feels quality. As soon as you, I'm just awestruck by it. It is beautiful. It is really. I've always said Jaeger-LeCoultre is Patek quality at a Rolex price. Really.
I think a lot of people who haven't had a look at the line of JLC, it's really worth them going to have a look. I think they'll reconsider the brand.
I think the brand is an amazing brand. It's this is a gorgeous
And a brand with a
watch.
great heritage as well.
Well, they are. They supplied movements to Cartier. The first tanker had a Jaeger-LeCoultre movement. They supplied movements to Vacheron, to AP, to Patek. They've done so much. A lot of AP movements are still based on Jaeger-LeCoultre. You know, it's just superb. I'm just sad I don't have my Reverso. I would love to get a shot with the Reverso, and this in it.
Very different feeling watches. The Reverso is a
It's,
lot heavier, and it's more of a
Yeah.
timeless classic. This, although it's got a classic
Oh.
round shape, it feels a lot more modern when you wear it.
Look, I absolutely adore this watch here. I love just the attention to detail. I mean, Don Haynes, I had him on the channel saying, "Oh, the quality's not as good as Patek," but I gotta tell you, this here is he's also a big fan of the Quartz Seiko, by the way, Don Haynes.
Good.
But this is just superb. I mean, that's a beautiful piece, and I think you'd be very happy. That's a piece you would keep forever. It's an heirloom. What do you think?
That's a hand-me-down piece, isn't it?
That is a hand-me-down. We just got to get your brother married off, and we have an heir to give it to. But
Bless
that's
him.
just a superb. I love the strap. It's like a matte. Like I've got a glossy alligator strap, which is. It's a different feel. This is I think a matte crocodile, I think. My God, that is just beautiful piece. Beautiful piece. It's just, I think it's worth every penny.
So the verdict, thumbs up?
Oh, look, I gotta be honest with you. I'll be honest with you. I don't normally just say this watch is amazing. I am completely shocked by this because the quality. I don't get excited over Rolexes. I really don't get that excited. It's just beautiful. Like I love the simple. Actually, I get why. I actually made a video where I said if you're going to buy this or the moon phase, get the moon phase. But I take it back. This is just. It's just so powerful. I love it. Verdict, 10 out of 10 watch. I mean, this is an heirloom. It ain't no shitter, is it? What do you think? I think it's every bit as nice as my Patek. The Patek's gold, yeah, the Patek's gold, but that doesn't mean anything as far as the workmanship goes. This is a beautiful thing. You can just feel it. You can just tell thousands of hours of design and expertise have gone into it. It's not really shortcuts taken, is it? They've done things that are just beautiful. And well done. That's all I can say. Congratulations, and that's amazing. Hi guys. A fan of mine has been inspired to start a wristwatch series of his own. Bitter Poet Madman. That's the name of his channel. And the show is called It's Complicated. That's right, it's complicated. It looks like he has some nice examples. I saw he has a Rolex. He recently just got an Omega. He talks watch accessories, does reviews, unboxings, and talks about new and pre-owned wristwatches. Again, the channel name is Bitter Poet Madman. Bitter Poet Madman. So why don't you fuckers let that fucker know what you think of that? Bitter Poet Madman channel. To me on Patreon, that allows you to send a small monthly amount to me every month. It can be $1, it can be $100, whatever you can afford. The next way you can help me is, well guys, I really need some money to keep things going. Paid reviews. On the Paul Pluta channel, I run paid reviews. For as little as $20 US, I'll give you an opinion of your collection, of what you're looking at. I'll try and answer. There's heaps of other ways you can help me. I do telephone consultancy. For $50 US, I will talk to you on Skype or WhatsApp and answer your horological or personal problems. Any questions, I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go. Now guys, please help us out. Look down below, and if you could help us out, I will stay here and make videos full time on YouTube.